Everyone, good evening. Welcome to All Things Financial. And it is Tuesday evening, and we are inside of the clubhouse. Hello to those who are in Clubhouse, those who are on LinkedIn, and if you're catching us in the Facebook group or on YouTube. It is the QuickBooks Online live demonstration, and today I'm going to go over reports. And I know we've done reports several times, but there's some new features inside of QuickBooks that will give you different types of reports. So hello, hello, welcome. And like I always say, it's social media and I like to be social. So remember when you come to the broadcast, please do remember to say hello to Elaine, hello Sharon over on Facebook. So we're going to go over the reports and how to pull different types of reports. Next week, we're going to be talking mostly about non for profit, QuickBooks and non for profit, because I am so interested in the non for profit topic that we're going to be doing next week. I'm going to go over how to use QuickBooks in your non for profit business. All right. So we are inside. So if you're in the in clubhouse room and you want to go to the live demonstration where you can see where I actually have QuickBooks open, feel free. Oh, the link is not at the top of the room. It would be nice if I did that, right? Put the link at the top of the room, so if you're inside the clubhouse room, you can actually go. Let me go grab the link and get it, put it at the top of the room, so that way so that way we can make sure that you can scoot on over to YouTube. And uh, did I copy the wrong link? Did I? I don't know. I probably copied the wrong link. Oh my goodness. Now I'm making a mess. Sorry for those who are over on YouTube. Let's just get this together. It's funny because I look at my YouTube and realize that I've been doing this for over a year and I still mess up. I still mess up. So let's do this again and see if we can make sure that we put the correct link, because I don't know what I'm doing, because I do know what I'm doing. I just probably okay. So Cindy Lou. Oh, there it is. Now, there it is. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry for that. All right. So, for those who don't know who I am, I'm Elaine Forbes Daisley. If you're catching this video for the first time, I'm an accountant. I'm an author, a speaker, and a business development strategist. I'm also a certified QuickBook Pro advisor. That reminds me that I have to do my certification, recertification for QuickBook Pro advisor. And do y'all believe it? I said I was going to do it a month early. However, it's not done yet, and I have only a couple more days, a couple more hours to get it done. Well, we're going to get it done. I'll post it when I'm done with it. So, with that said, I'm going to go over reports because, and this was a part of my recertification. I was going over my recertification and I found that they have a couple new feature, they've enhanced some stuff inside of QuickBooks. And one of the things is the cash flow, right? So if you have your QuickBooks and you have your cash flow, you turn on your cash flow, you can actually go to the overview tab. And we've gone over this before, but I want to show you some other features as it relates to reporting. Because most time we talk about reports, people tend to just think about the profit and loss and the balance sheet, which are summary reports. You can also get detailed reports. So we're going to go over So you can click on any of these. I'm not going to click on this because this is a live company. This is actually a live company. So, but I wanted to show you inside of a live company so you can see. So you can make changes right here. And when you say make changes, it goes to the planner, and you can actually make changes in the planner right here. I'm not going too far down because we don't want to expose anybody's business, right? Or then we're going to go back over to the overview. Now, the cool thing about this is that you can see reports right from this screen. So if you scroll down right here and do view report, you can do open invoice, you can do a list of invoice, and you can also do sales by customer detail, right? You can do sales by customer. So you can do invoice, open invoice. That's for right from this screen right here. See that right there? Now, if you scroll down a little more, this is says this is money in. So this is your income. So you can look at those report. Now, money out, which is all your invoice, your bills and receipts that you're paying, you can go to view report, and it will show you your unpaid bills, bill payment, expense by vendor summary. Now, your unpaid bills will only show if you are entering your bills before you pay them. So if you're using the accounts payable module where you're entering the bill, then go back in and pay them, then this will show your unpaid bills, and then this one will show you your bill payment list. Now, the expense by vendor summary will show all your expenses that you pay. So if you're using the cash module, or you're just entering stuff from your bank feed, this is the report that you're going to look at. Cool thing about this is if you click on this expense report, and you're in the summary report. So the summary will just summarize all the transaction. If you need to see a detail of that report, you can just click the bottom of the report, and it will show you the details of the report. Hey there, Facebook user, right? So this is just so cool. If you want to see all the vendors that you pay for a specific period of time, you can click this report, and then, oh, hey Patrice, you then what will happen is that you will see that information. You will see the information of all the transaction, because sometimes you see the summary of the report and you want to see the detail of the report, and to see. So I'm gonna go to the sample company and kind of pull some report and show you, because like I said, this company that we're showing is a live company, but it does not, the sample company does not have this feature live, so we're not able to do it inside of the sample company. So that's the cash flow. This is the cash flow and the reports that you can pull from the cash flow. Now, the other thing is the sales. Now, I hope I can pull it from here if it will allow me without showing. Nope, nope. Let me see. Let me see. All right, so this is not going to show me. I have to go down some more, and you'd be able to see the reports. You can click from right on this screen, and you'll be able to see reports. You'll be able to see reports inside. Click from right here to get the reports. But this one is live, so I'm not going to go there because I do not want to expose anybody's information. All right, so let's go to the sample company, and I'll show you the summary and how to get the detail. And if you are inside of your company, your QuickBooks company, and you would like to something, you want to test something out, and you want to make sure that you don't mess your books up, you can also go to the sample company. So see cash flow, start planning. It's not going to make us do it. uh, see how in the company before, so that you can see the difference in the company before. If you notice, I was able to scroll down and it showed me the money in, the money out, and it shows me the report. This is not, because it's not. Let's see if it will do it. Nope. Yeah, this is just showing us all of this. It's not showing us that. That's the reason why I showed you inside of a life company. But let's go to report. So this is also another way to access those same report that I show you. And we're going to look at the vendor, the expense by vendor summary. And we're going to, so inside of your QuickBooks, you can, so this will show you all the vendors that you've paid. Now, in order to make sure that you get these vendors, when you're matching from your bank feed, you got to make sure you put the payee name in. So now this is a summary, and this, so if you want to see the detail of this report, see this number right here, you can click right into that number, and it will open into a detail. And if you, okay, let me show you this as well. So it only shows a certain amount. Now I'm going to scroll on over here. I'm actually going to close that so I can have a wider screen. And this is the scroller that you would use, this one that's right inside of here. So if I scroll up, see how you see more things. Now this little scroller is where you used to see. And on the details of this report, if you notice, it tells you the transaction type, the name, if there's a number, memo, the account that is hitting, the split account, the amount, and the balance. Now you can, so this is detailed. You can sort this report any way you want it. You can sort it by date. Nope, nope, nope. All right, so I just lied because I thought that, but you can sort it where it says group by. If you wanted to group by transaction type, run report, and what it will do, the detail will group it by transaction type, and it gives you a subtotal. So that way, then you got to scoot on over here and kind of scroll up so you can see the information. So all the transaction that came in from expense, there it is. And these were cash expense. And these were entered by bills. Oh gosh. So see all of that? And we got to this by clicking the bottom of the report where the numbers, where this number was. Now, if you want to go back to the summary, you click back to report summary, and this will take you back to the report summary. So now you are back to the report summary. And anything that's highlighted that turns blue, we know that from internet usage, anything that turns blue when you hover over it, it's hyperlinked. So you can click on it and it will give you a detail of what the transaction. And this, anything that's hyperlinked, you can click on that. And I think this is going to bring you to the actual transaction that was entered. So that brings you to the transaction. This, I think, brings you to this brings you to the transaction. Let me see what the number brings you to, if I remember correctly. So anything that's hyperlinked in this is going to bring you to the actual transaction that was entered. Is that cool or what? So that's it for today. We just did a short report, and you can go to back to the summary. So anywhere you go to, you can always do the back to the summary and you go back to the report. And so that is the expense by vendor summary. And that is when we were in the live company, you see where we could actually click from the cash flow and go right to this report. And once you get there, you can click on this right here to see the details of this. Once you go there, you can summarize it. You can sort it so you can look at it. You can, if you just want to see one of these detail for one, you click on the number and it brings you right to the detail. If you want to see the information that was entered, click on anything that's highlighted, that turns blue, and it will show you the entry. And it show you right here, it tells you what screen it was entered from. All right, that is it for today. And next week we're going to be talking about how to use QuickBooks to set up QuickBooks for a not-for-profit company. We're going to go over which version is best to use and how the different things we can do inside of QuickBooks. It's probably going to be a series of videos. So thank you for those who are watching over in the Facebook group, and for those who are in LinkedIn, those who are on YouTube, thank you guys for joining us. Remember, subscribe to the video over on YouTube so you can see when I go live on a Tuesday evening. I don't know if you need to subscribe on LinkedIn, but it's there. And for those who are in the Facebook group, I do appreciate you to be a part of the group. Guys, the membership, QuickBooks, the Bookkeeping Master membership is open. It's open. I'm going to post the link below this video. So check out the membership. We are going to make sure that you are taken care of each month, that you don't wait until January to start taking care of your books. We're going to take care of it each month. We're going to sit here. We're going to do different things. I'm going to help you to set up your recurring transaction. We're going to help you to do your bank reconciliation. We're going to make sure that all your bank feed is categorized each month, and we are reconciling. So check the membership out. The link will be below this video. And there's 2 levels. Actually, I need to put that information in. If you sign up between now and the end of July, you can get the discounted membership, and that will be lifetime. So you can either sign up for, I think it's $39 or $97, I think. And that's for lifetime. If you miss a payment, and it's going to go to the higher payment. But after July, it's going to be $59 and $149, I think. So I'll put the link below this video. Feel free to check it out. And it's like having an accountant in your pocket. So guys, thank you Thank you. And I'll see you guys back here next week, Tuesday at 6:30-ish p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a great rest of your evening.